Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mika. I'm so sorry I wasn't here from a really long time, about like more than 2 weeks, because I was moving and starting a new life, like getting out from my comfort zone completely. I changed everything in my life and it was like very hard for me. The last 2 weeks was so hard. Ugh, I need to go. So my friend's just like ringing on me because we need to go to work. And yeah, today is my birthday and I'm so excited because I'm starting like new life in my birthday week. Actually, so my birthday week, whatever. I'm so excited and I will be here soon as like ASAP. I promise. I just like had my computer set up finally yesterday and I'm ready to go into it, and I am like feeling more fine because I was so tired last 2 weeks. I begin to feel more like rested and sleep well. So I will be here in my channel very soon, so wait for it. And yeah, happy birthday to me. I'm gonna see you soon and I love you so much and I miss you so much. I love you. Bye.